In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate a copy of a Google spreadsheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the File tab at the top, and then you want to select where it says Make a Copy. And then you can name it whatever you want, save it in your Drive or a different folder, perhaps in your Google Drive account. You can also optionally share it with the same people if you want, or just keep it private. You can also copy comments as well as resolved comments. Select Make a Copy to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.